8 small habits you probably never thought about, but that can truly change your life forever. The first habit is making your bed every morning. It's a simple task, but starting your day with a made bed gives you a sense of accomplishment and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Next is drinking water first thing in the morning. This hydrates your body and kickstarts your metabolism after hours of rest. Third, writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This habit shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, helping to boost your mood and perspective. The fourth one is taking short walks, especially after meals. It aids digestion, clears your mind, and gives you a burst of energy. Another habit is decluttering just one area of your space each day. You don't need to tackle your entire home. Just start with one small space like your desk. This can make a big difference in how you feel and function. Number 6 is reading for 10 minutes a day. Even if you don't have time for a full book, those few minutes of learning or escapism can broaden your perspective. The 7th habit is practicing deep breathing. Just taking a few moments to focus on your breath can calm your nerves and center your thoughts. And finally, going to bed at the same time every night. Sleep consistency is crucial for better rest and increased productivity during the day. These habits might seem small, but they can lead to significant positive changes. Try incorporating them into your routine and see how they work for you.